We have been enjoying this neck massager, but it's more than a neck massager. Actually, it's a cervical traction device. It is a neck stretcher. So yes, there is massaging taking place, and it does feel really nice, by the way. But also there's heat, and there's this EMS, which is the electrical muscle stimulation. That's that shock wave. That's really nice too. Really, really, really comfortable, but it's more than the massager because it's this traction device, which is actually creating space in the vertebrae. If you're like me, you type on your computer all day, you have that bend in your neck, or you're on your phone looking down, you have that bend in your neck, and after a while, it just creates tension right there. This actually moves. Check this out right here. Whoop. It moves using airbags up and down. There's also an airbag on the bottom. This little white portion here just blows up like a frog's throat. So this is moving and this is moving. And then these guys here move back and forth, and there's heat and there's electrical, and it's creating space and slowly kind of pulling those discs apart. I've been using this for 5 to 10 minutes a day because that's what they tell you to do that in the first 5 or 10 days. After that, I'm about to the place right now where I'm about to just go to 15 minutes a day. I have felt no discomfort. I'm really enjoying this. It's super relaxing. I just lay it on the floor, which I'll do here in a minute and let you just see it in action. And I just lay there and I read my book, or I look at my phone, or I take a nap. Usually just take a nap. Before I get on the floor and demonstrate this for you, let me show you 4 things that really stood out right out of the package. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1, right here. This is where your head goes. So imagine the back of your head laying right here. Your neck is resting upon this. Your shoulders are here, and then your legs are going out that direction. This right here is so comfortable. If you look in there close, there's a lot of give. It's very, very comfortable. I don't have any hair. I know. So I don't have any cushion either. My head goes in here, and it's really, really nice, really comfortable. Really appreciate that. There's a lot of cavity underneath there to absorb. Really, really, really nice. This is not a cheap product in price, but it's also not a cheap product in build and quality. So I really appreciate that. Number 2, this right here. This is where the heat comes from. This is where the EMS, the shock wave, comes from. And look at how much give there is. So whenever you stick your neck in there, it's just going to give and fit the contours of your neck. And then also, while we're speaking of that, there's that airbag again. This is going up and down, helping separate discs. That is the highlight of this device. That's what makes it more than just a neck massager. So that's 1, that's 2, this is 3. I just appreciate how simple, but yet feature rich this thing is. Took me a minute to figure this out, but once you do, it's really great and it's not hard at all. What helps though is this page right here in the user manual, because there's a bunch of A's and B's and A's and B's together. Trust me, just hold on to that for the first couple days. You'll have it figured out really quick. Really great. But anyway, this is a huge feature. It's on a cord, and that cord is actually the 4th thing. Look at it. It's not some little cheap cord. It feels really nice. It's like that neoprene silicone kind of feel. It's going to hold up to bends. It just struck me as different. It's just not a cheap cord at all, which backs up the idea that this is not a cheap product either. So anyway, that's it kind of up close. Now let's put it on the ground. I'll just let you see it in action. And at the very end, I'll throw on an unboxing for you just so you can see what all comes in the package. This was sent to me by Mitrex for a review, so I did not pay for this product, but I gladly said yes to this product. I'm happy to have received it, and this is my honest review. I hope it helps.